Today we will be making this elegant beach vibe menorah. All you'll need is two things from the Dollar Tree. These party favor sets made of tin and some sand from the Dollar Tree. Just open the little pails or buckets, each package comes with two, and fill them with sand. Sand is really good to use in a menorah because sand can be used to put out a grease fire, so having the sand there can actually make this a little safer. The only reason fire trucks don't use it is because it weighs a ton, but a bucket of sand is really good to have around menorahs regardless of if you're making this specific menorah, and make sure your fire extinguisher in general is rated for the type of fire it's near. So line up all your little pails of sand to create your menorah. These are really strong metal, they seem to be pretty sturdy, and they're very steady. In my experience, I'm not guaranteeing your experience, make sure to watch it, and that it's on a steady surface. Now we're going to fill up the shamush. The shamush needs to be taller than the rest, so we'll stack it on top of the 10th pail. So I'm just going to use these birthday candles, it's from the Dollar Tree too, they're literally $1. Now we're gonna put the candles in from right to left, and you light them from left to right. You can put the shamush wherever you want. I'm gonna move it and put it in the middle, but you can put it in the front back wherever you'd like. We're setting up for like the 8th night of Hanukkah, but you only need to put the candles for that night of Hanukkah. And there you have it, a beautiful Hanukkah menorah. You just light your shamush and then light your candles. Have a wonderfully beautiful happy Hanukkah.